will shout to the Lord, all you live. Psalms 100, verse 1.
My lips will shout for joy when I sing praise to you, I whom you have redeemed. Psalm 71, verse 23. Bang the pot, playing a pan, shake the rock in a can. Sing for me on the floor, make a noise and praise the Lord.
Take a spoon, tap a cup, snap a snap, thump a thump. Give a whistle to the horn, make a noise and praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord, lift your voice, make a glad, happy noise. Sing to Him with all your heart. Let's make a noise and praise the Lord. We can clap, we can sing, bang a drum, a tambourine. Shout some more, make a noise and praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, lift your voice, make a glad, happy noise. Sing to Him with all your heart. Let's make a noise and praise the Lord.